The lyrebird is a bird that's a master of mimicry. It can mimic any sound it hears, from other birds to car alarms. Scientists believe the lyrebird's mimicry helps it attract a mate and defend its territory. But it's not just about impressing others, the lyrebird's mimicry also helps it blend in with its surroundings and avoid predators. The lyrebird's mimicry is so advanced, it can even fool other animals. Scientists are still trying to figure out how it does it. For example, the lyrebird can mimic a chainsaw, which can be heard in the video. So, the next time you're in the Australian rainforest, keep an ear out for the lyrebird's incredible mimicry. It might just blow your mind.